Aha, you thought we'd cry off.
Who's got the biggest then?
Hey, biggest what?
Sponsorship form!
Oh, yeah. Actually sellotaped all them together.
Child labour. Angel's got the calluses to prove it. I take it Kerry's hiding in the toilet.
Well, she's gone into Autumn to get dance trainers.
Oh, Angel, get that roll back up for later.
Can we start soon before the pasta wears off?
Why don't I have pasta? I'm starving.
Where's Charity?
Ah, she's just nipped out. Left me in charge, I'm full.
I don't know about mad, but she's certainly bad. Did I ever say what an idiot I was? Or how often I want to punch myself in the face?
Not often enough.
I don't deserve you.
The course is set!
Are the bikes here?
Bikes? Bikes? This is more high-tech than bikes.
It's an egg and spoon roast, isn't it?
Not wasting good eggs. Where the hell's Kerry?
Best guess? The pub.
I'm sure she'll come, maybe ring her again and shout a bit.